टेक्निकल एसआर यूट्यूब चैनल स्वागत है न्यू अपडेट के लिए। Xiaomi Redmi Watch 2 Lite details. Find here the complete specs or features of the Xiaomi Redmi Watch 2 Lite in India. A few of the major offering of the smartwatch is built-in GPS. Alongside 100 Joule fitness modes, up to 10 days out. Battery life, magnetic charging, 5 ATM wattage. Resistance, a 1.5 योजक चिन्ह NCHHD screen, Bluetooth 5.0. Connectivity, etc. Read more about the watch down below and see what more it has to offer. Xiaomi Redmi Watch 2 Lite design and display. Redmi Watch 2 Lite flaunts a rectangular dial along with a tiny function controller button on the side. It has a compact design and a light body weight of 35 grams for better comfort. Besides, the watch includes detachable straps available in multiple colors such as blue dragon, midnight black, pink punch color. Options. The smartwatch brings a 1.5 योजक चिन्ह NCHTFT touchscreen mounted on a rectangular dial. Also, it retains an HD 320 by 360 px display with a pixel density of 301 pixels per inch for an improved viewing experience. On top of that, the watch has an always-on display feature that shows dates or times and other notifications. Xiaomi Redmi Watch 2 Lite features an health tracker, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 1.55-inch touch display, water resistant, 5 ATM, dust proof, heart rate monitor, Sp02 blood oxygen monitor, pedometer, sleep monitor,